Hello. This video will share tips on how to participate in a remote court proceeding using a phone. Tips for participating in a hearing on Zoom using a phone. If you can, it is best to use a computer or laptop for your remote hearing. If you do not have a computer, you may be able to borrow a laptop from a public library or reserve a private room with a computer at the library. If you must use a phone for your hearing, this video will discuss how to log in and use Zoom. Before we begin, let's go over some safety and etiquette tips. We are used to using our phones while doing other things. During your court hearing, do not do anything else. Please do not drive a car while participating in a remote court hearing. You will not be able to represent your case well, and your safety will be at risk. Now, let's discuss how to log into Zoom. Logging in. You will need to have the Zoom mobile app downloaded on your phone. Once you have the Zoom app on your phone, open it and tap Join. Enter the meeting ID and passcode. This information is in the notice or email that was sent to you by the court. Joining audio. Your phone will ask you to pick a method to join the audio. 4 options will appear: Wi-Fi or cellular data, dial-in, call me, or no audio. If you will be using an interpreter during the court hearing, select Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you dial in, you will not be able to use Zoom's interpretation feature. If you select dial in, several phone numbers will appear. Select one. Your phone will call that number. Listen for a prompt to enter the meeting ID. You may also be asked to enter the participant's ID. You can find this in the Zoom app. After you enter the meeting ID, your audio connection will join the Zoom hearing. You will be listed as a participant in the meeting twice, once as your video in the Zoom app and once as a call-in participant. Make sure to go back to the Zoom app, but do not hang up the call. If you have used dial-in to join the audio, press *6 on your keypad to unmute yourself when you want to speak. If you select Call Me, you will be prompted to enter a phone number. Enter the number of the phone you are using or of another phone near you. You will receive a call. When you answer it, listen for confirmation that you have joined the meeting. Go back to the Zoom app on your phone. Do not hang up the call. You will be listed as a participant once. Do not select No Audio. Without audio, you will not be able to hear the other participants, and they will not hear you. If you select No Audio by accident, select the Join Audio button in your toolbar. If you do not see a toolbar, tap the screen once to make it appear. Use a headset or earphones if possible. This will cut down on background noise. Locating Zoom tools. The Zoom toolbar may be at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your phone. You may need to scroll through the toolbar to find the tool you are looking for. You can do this by placing your finger on the toolbar and dragging it to the left. Find the mute button. Tap this button to mute and unmute your microphone. This button will not appear if you dialed in to join the audio. Leave your microphone on mute until it is time for you to speak. Use the Share Screen button if you need to share evidence, like a document or a photograph. After you tap the Share Screen button, select what you would like to share. You may see options for photos, screen, and website URL. Be aware, if you select Screen, all participants will see everything on your phone screen, including notifications. This means if a text message appears on your screen while you are sharing it, the judge and hearing participants will see it. If you will need to share your phone screen, plan ahead and silence your notifications. One final note on Zoom's tools. During your Zoom call, if you place your finger on the screen and drag it to the right, you may end up in safe driving mode. This is a Zoom feature designed to eliminate distractions while driving. The other participants cannot see or hear you while you are using this tool. Remember, do not drive a car during the hearing. If you accidentally enter this mode, place your finger on the screen and swipe left to exit. For more information on Zoom tools, watch our video, Tips for Participating in a Hearing on Zoom. Let's review. It's best to use a laptop or a computer to join your remote court hearing. If you must use a phone, log in using the Zoom app. Join the audio. If you join through a phone call, go back to the Zoom app and make sure not to hang up the call. Try to use headphones. Before your hearing date, get familiar with the toolbar. Know how to mute and unmute your microphone. Thanks for watching.